Okay, we're heading out on a little test run to check out some of my gear for an upcoming adventure that I've been thinking of. So we're getting into December here, and what I really would like to do is to go investigate some of these local mountains that have old ski trails on them and try to ski down. So today's December 10th. We're heading out. Just checked the temperature is about 25 degrees, and you know, it's been below 20 for like the last week, but these are some ideal temperatures. Continuation of my video, but had two failures right off the bat. The GoPro, I don't think it liked the cold, so it kept shutting down, telling me I had low battery power, even though I had 90% or more on both batteries. Anyhow, it's in my pockets, warming up. We'll try it again later. But the bottom line here is I'm heading out to the beaver pond, and what I really want to do is check the performance of my drone, because the eventual plan is for me to ski down some of these remote mountain slopes and have my drone fly above me and track me. But my fear is that the same thing's going to happen with the drone that just happened with my GoPro. These things do not like the cold weather. Remarkably, my phone always performs in cold, but some of these other devices not so much. We're approaching the beaver dam. Always got a good view from here. Croydon Park and the pond out there, but we'll take a closer look here in a second. This is the beaver pond, and we're gonna head out here a little bit, see if we can't get the drone set up, see if she'll fly. I did check this ice the other day, and it's been really cold, so I don't have any worries about that. But let's go out and set up over here by the little beaver hut here. This is their new one that they built. You can see the old one back there in the background. They also have one that they had, a little one over there. I think they may have had to move their houses around just because of the low water level and drought this year. All right, first things first, we've got the drone here, and I've got a body warmer down there, and we're gonna see actually what the temperature is inside the bag. Well, not bad. What does it say? 44 degrees. So that's inside the bag with the hand warmer on. And the hand warmer's not even fully heated up. So, okay, set up here. So we've got good satellite. Hey, leave it.
Take off. Home point updated.
All right, looks like right now the drone is up. Not getting any warnings. Keeping a close eye on the battery level, because that's what goes on these things. All right, we'll take a little test flight. Oh man, I was very successful. Walked all around the pond, had the thing track me here or there. ActiveTrack mode. So that was really successful. The battery actually lasted quite a bit. So really happy with that. Okay, as we're leaving the beaver pond, very successful drone flight. Thing didn't have a single hiccup, tracked perfectly, dealt with the cold. Brought 3 batteries. I only went through like 1 1/4. You know, I was flying for quite a bit. You know, they seemed to track perfectly well. Yeah, so that's good. The biggest fail was the GoPro batteries, which did not stand up. I don't know if it was actually the batteries or the camera, because the batteries kept saying 90%, but I have to do some research on that. Yeah, so we'll go back home, we'll check out the footage and see what we got.